This Green Detox weight management smoothie really does alkalize and cleanse the system. We're going to start off with some curly kale, packed full of iron to give you energy, at a cellular level I might add, and we're going to add some celery in that as well. What we've got there is something with some diuretic properties as well. To that we add that cleansing gentle cucumber, very cooling, great for the tummy. Again, the pineapple, terrific with bromelain in it to soothe the stomach as well. I'm going to add in some mint for taste, and then also a little bit of apple, topping it off with some coconut water. Now you could add in some lean protein powder if you want, maybe the lean vegan protein or the lean whey protein. So we're off, 30 seconds. So look at this. It's got so much green goodness in it. I love it as a nutritionist because I know this is delivering you, say, 2 of 5 a day in a nutritious, delicious fashion.